it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing day 3 of our sneak peeks for January. I'm super excited to share the new Stamp and Die of the month and the Paper Pad Club of the month. These clubs are so fun. You get 2 paper pads and you can opt in for the coordinating ephemera. And then I'll share some card samples using this paper pad club. And then the Stamp and Die of the month, you get the die on a magnetic sheet so you can easily store that away. It does cut out all images and sentiments, so it makes it really easy to put your cards together seamlessly. So I've done a super cute card using this Stamp and Die of the month for January. The release date is on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So I had a lot of fun making this slimline card using these cute little party animals. Let's take a closer look at the stamp set. So we've got some really cute party animals. We've got a little panda. For the panda, you'll take a white jelly roll pen and dot in some pupils for him. And then we've got a cute little rabbit, a cute little lion, and then a bear. We've got some background images like these little trees. We've got some accessories like a cake, a present, a bunch of balloons, a party hat, and some sentiments. Party animal, yay, let's party, it's my birthday. So super fun. And when you do sign up for the clubs, you do get 18% off. Plus, I'll send you a juicy discount that you can use to shop with all month long. So let's dig into these cards that I created. So we've got soft florals, so pretty. And then these cute little pink and blue birthday animals. So here's one of the cards I did using this beautiful collection. So I love that cute little fox. He's got a little sign that says happy birthday. This could be for a boy or a girl birthday card. So this one I wanted to be more for a boy's birthday. And then this one here, I wanted it to be more of a girl's birthday card. So super cute. Isn't that bunny adorable? And you are able to purchase these as a one-time purchase. If you did not want to join the club, you just won't get the 18% off. We've got watercolor roses, super cute. There's a page in here with these adorable images. I'll share that in a moment. Here's one of the images. I just used my scan and cut to cut it out. You can fussy cut with scissors. I added a crumpled seam binding bow for some softness, and the paper is just gorgeous. Here's another image in the paper pad. Same thing, used this beautiful paper with the seam binding bow, just added a bunch of layers. I have another card on the back. So this one is using the elephant. So cute. Those roses in the background are stunning. Another image from the paper pad is cute little bunny. And what I did is I cut one of those roses out from this paper that had all the large roses on it and used it as a little embellishment. And then I have another card on the back. I love that image there. So cute. That bunny with the little party hat. I have an embossed panel in the background here. Some Swiss dots. Super cute. All right, let's dig into the papers. Let's take a look at the watercolor roses. I'll have a video up on the 1st sharing the whole collection, reminding you about the release. 9 a.m. on the 1st. So you get 4 of each design in this paper pad. You get some stunning roses. Love that. So you get a soft rose design in the background, kind of faded. And then you get that beautiful rose design up front. Get some really cute diagonal stripes with some glitter on each side of the stripe. Really pretty watercolor in pink, dark pink. And then we've got some dainty roses on a light pink background. Here are those beautiful large roses that you can fussy cut out. And then we've got like a glitter in 2 different shades of pink. This really pretty gingham in a light pink. And then beautiful soft roses with some ribbon. And here are those cute images. You get 4 of each. So you get 4 sheets, plenty of images to create some ephemera with. Look at those cute, cute animals. So you will be set for some birthday cards this next year. How pretty is that? Let me know which paper pad is your favorite down below. Let's take a look at the soft florals. Really pretty color palette. So really pretty little flowers in a pink and a bluish purple color. Some nice stripes. Cute little pattern here in this really nice pale green. It's really pretty. I love this one. Reminds me of some wallpaper. Nice gingham in pink. This is a pretty little pattern. So pretty. And here's those cute little flowers, kind of blown up a little bit. And then a nice stripe with glitter and that nice bluish purple color. Really pretty color. So that's the Soft Florals paper pad. Okay, now we have our pink and blue birthday. I'm gonna lay this all out so I could get a nice photo. Look at these cats, they're so cute. I absolutely love them. And you get blue and pink images in this pack. Oh my gosh, those bunnies are just so cute. So you do get them in different sizes. You get some birthday sentiments. It's a cute little one. Oh my gosh, the faces are just so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that bunny. Okay, so there's all the cute little ephemera pieces. And don't forget to check out Cards by Kendra on the 1st. She will be playing with one of our collections, and it's going to be a surprise because I'm not sure which collection she's going to be playing with. So I can't wait to see what she's created. So on the 1st, she launches her new challenge, so be sure to check that out. Cards by Kendra here on YouTube. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you tomorrow on release day at 9 a.m. Central Time. Take care guys, and I hope you have a happy new year. Bye guys.